Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel payment on Capitec app. Alright, let's begin. First, we need to open up the mobile application of Capitec itself and sign in. Now, in here, once you sign in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard for Capitec. So now we need to select the option that says Transact at the very bottom of the screen. From there, you'll be redirected to the next page here. Now, in this case, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says Debit Orders. So go ahead and select that. And from here, you should be able to see all of your transactions. Now, in this case, what you need to do is you need to look for the transaction that you want to reverse the money for. Once you've located it, go ahead and select it. And from there, select the option Reverse or Refund. After that, just follow the on-screen steps to reverse your money. So that's basically how you can cancel payment on Capitec app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.